Machines. Machines are not magic. They just simply allow the impossible to be possible in some cases. For example, let's think about the lug nuts on the tires of your car. Can you take them off with your hands? No, probably not. I would hope not. The reason being, despite the fact they don't have to be turned very much, let's turn them a little quarter turn to get them loose, the amount of force required to turn them is usually larger than the human hand can produce. So what do? You grab a lug wrench or a tire iron, and then and therefore you apply a smaller force, but you usually have to apply it over a longer distance. You put this little bar on the nut, and when you push down on it, you have to push, instead of just a little turn, fractions of an inch, you actually have to move your hand several inches, if not maybe a foot. So you apply a force over a longer distance, but the beauty is that you can apply less force. You can get the same amount of work done using the simple machine that's actually called a lever in the case of, or wheel and axle in the case of a lug wrench. So again, work, because of the way it's defined, you can get an equal amount of work two different ways. You can either apply a huge force, and make a big old F, and a small little d, or you can apply a much smaller force, but a larger d. You can apply a small force over a large distance, or you can apply a large force over a small distance, and it results in the same amount of work. That's the entire principle behind simple machines.